head wraps. That's what we're talking about today. You can wrap your head with anything. My Instagram family, I already shared this with you guys and you really wanted to see how I did it. So I'm going to show you guys right now. It's pretty self-explanatory, but bits that do need explaining, I'll definitely give you guys a shout. This is a really easy one. If you've got a light, long scarf, all you need to do is fold the scarf in half lengthways and then fold it into a quarter again and wrap your head. Loop one end of the scarf through and pull it taut. Then twist the ends and wrap it around like a cinnamon swirl and then wrap the ends into the edges. I can't really explain, but you can see what I mean, right? You can wrap the ends into the scarf and it makes a cute little head tie. Or if you don't want to do that, you don't want to wrap it around, then you can just let it hang loose and you've got this kind of 70s vibe, 70s look going on. Next one, we're going to give ourselves a little fringe. It's basically the same thing except you're wrapping your whole head. You're twisting that around, making that little cinnamon swirl, and then you're going to tuck all the hair in underneath the scarf except for the front, so you've got yourself a little fringe. So I add the little curls on the side here, just with a little bit of water and some gel. And that's the style, good to go. Add your earrings and you've got an Afrocentric Barbie doll look going on. Next up is a dress. Now you guys remember this dress. It was £10 and I used it in one of my videos to show you guys how to wear shapewear. Anyway, it doesn't fit properly right now, so we're gonna recycle it. Black women don't throw things away, we recycle, okay? All our plastic bags are underneath the kitchen sink. All our biscuit tins have sewing kits in them, so we're gonna recycle the dress as well. And the dress has long straps, right, so that you can wrap it around in different ways. We're gonna use that to wrap around our head. And then I'm just gonna do a quick little twist style in the front. There's nothing to it, it's really easy. You just gotta be creative with it. Look how cute that came out. You would never guess that this is a dress. And finally, we're gonna be using a skirt to make a headscarf. Yes, that skirt right there, we're gonna be using it to make a headscarf. So, first of all, I need to put my hair up so that I can like kind of pineapple it. The back is a bit short because of the way it's cut. It's cut in a tapered style. I'm gonna twist my skirt around my head, pull it taut, and then tuck the ends in. Then I can finally get rid of that rope. I got a call during the filming of this video, so I thought I'd put it in there for you to see how animated I am chatting to my friends. Then all you need to do is literally puff up your pineapple and you're good to go. Super simple, easy hairstyle. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. If you have any comments, questions, leave them down below. And what are some other things you use to wrap your hair with? Let me know in the comments. I want to know. I'll try them out and pop them on Instagram.